Hello YouTubers, and today we are looking on this laptop with ASUS VivoBook 15 X512. It is a 15.6-inch laptop. I have already opened this box, so I am just showing you what comes in the box. So let's get started. So this box have this laptop. It's a slate gray in color, and the only accessory we get is a power cord and the adapter. So I'm using this laptop for a couple of weeks, and till now I find it's really good. The performance is good, and the only downside I find is the audio. The audio is too low. If you ask how much should I give to audio, so it will be 2 out of 5. So these are the specifications of ASUS VivoBook 15.6-inch laptop. It comes with 1.6 GHz Intel Core i5 10th generation processor. It comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and it can be maximized up to 12 GB. And if we talk about the storage, it comes with 1 TB of hard disk, plus there is 256 GB of SSD. And the operating system is Windows 10 64-bit operating system. It comes with 2 GB dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX250 graphic card. It comes with 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB 3.1, and there is 1 USB 3.1 Type-C port, 1 HDMI and 1 micro SSD card reader. And the average battery life of this laptop is 3 to 4 hours and on normal usage, and there is no Ethernet port, so you have to buy an Ethernet port separately. So this laptop have 2 USB ports, and these are the 2.0 USB 2.0, and one is the power indicator and the other one is the battery charge indicator. On the other side we have power input port, USB 3.0 port, HDMI port, and Type-C port, audio jack, and micro SD card reader. And these are the 2 speakers on the downside. Laptop is extremely sleek. It's a compact laptop. I really like this design. So now we will boot this laptop. The booting time is somewhere it boots up within 10 seconds. It's really fast. I was using a laptop which is 10-year-old, and for me it's extremely fast. This have a fingerprint reader, so you can see it's really fast, and it have a backlit keyboard, so that will help you in the dark to work on this laptop. See, here it is. So in the higher end laptops, we usually find these backlit keyboard on MacBook Pro. Nowadays we are getting on these type of technology on these laptops. It's really good, and browsing speed is too good, and I can open 15 to 16 tabs and it works perfectly fine. And if I talk about opening a word file, it opens within a second. You can see I opened this word file. Now I will open Excel file. See how fast it is. And now let's see the PowerPoint. See how fast it is. Performance wise, I really like this laptop. And the screen, if I talk about the screen, the screen is okay. For an individual, it's okay. If you look from the sides, it's not very good, but it gets the job done, and for me it's fine. So now I will shut down the laptop. So here we are. So this is the laptop, and few things I would like to tell about this laptop. It comes with the Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 edition, which is free on this laptop. That is a good thing, and I really like the speed, and there is no heating issues, and it's a compact laptop. The only thing I don't like about this laptop is the audio. The audio is too low, and the battery backup is 3 to 4 hours on the normal usage. So these are my reviews about this laptop. If you want to buy, you can check this laptop. I will recommend this laptop if you want to use it for your work. But if you want to use it to listen music, or if you want to watch Netflix or other stuff, you can try different laptop, or you can use a external speaker